All right, well, it looks like M.T.G says she's going to New York to protest. So I wanted to pull the cards and we'll see what we have. Going into it, we have the cross to bear, the indictment coming down, this wanting to control the narrative, and discussions about 45. So we see that this is, the line of happenings here when it comes to Marjorie Half-Baked Green. The indictments are a good time for her to try to control some of this and benefit herself, of course, because we have here the outside of it, the past. Stirring up these emotions is what's being sold and peddled, and it's for, yet again, another new opportunity for her. Oh, what a surprise, huh? So going into it, we have the past. She's always played this persecution card and sees this as a new opportunity. The indictment is coming down. That's our rules, our laws, and this is a way for her to reach out to the American public with the ongoing saga that she's in alignment with 45, okay? This is an attempt to control by manipulation. The foundation is a manipulation that's going to benefit her long term. Is this any surprise? She's yet another narcissist that's going to milk this for all it's worth. The conversation, we're looking at the path that she's chosen to walk, and whether this could be jail. I don't think she's going to try to calm it down. She's going to be talking about his possible imprisonment, etc. But we'll have to see. The challenge is, maybe she could get arrested if she is really disruptive, causing disruption. Clarification is stirring up emotions when it comes to 45, and this is what's being sold, okay? Why? These conversations are for her long-term benefit, something she can sell. The manipulation of emotions. Oh, what a surprise, okay? Trying to control this narrative to the American people about what's happening, okay, what's going down. She is fully on the Trump train, takes her cues from him as to what she does in her path. And we have these communications, okay? In the past, she's used it to manipulate things, as is 45. And again, this is a new opportunity for her long-term benefit. So let's see what we have underneath of it. We have, yes, she's bought fully onto the Trump train, fully supportive. It's a tower moment. This is a Pandora's box. And she's willing to work together with them behind the scenes, thinking that she will get some sort of a victory out of it, because she sees this as yet again what? An opportunity being presented to what? Come against democracy, Democrats, etc., by saying we need to walk away from this and get to calmer waters for 45, okay? So she is there trying to hold on to this power and thinking it's going to aid her in going forward by playing the persecution card of loss when it comes to justice. So she is offering up more fishtails. What a surprise, huh? So on that note, I'm going to leave this here, and I'll see you online.